Yeah, so the session was all about influencing both decision makers and the public. So it was a great opportunity for the MPA, for Gareth Jones and myself, just to talk to people about how we go about influencing the public and decision makers, really helping people to understand the long-term nature of influence. So it's not a transactional episode that we're trying to deliver here. It's about building long-term relationships, understanding the needs of parliamentarians, the public, the NHS, patients, and making sure we can then deliver for them. Pharmacy's facing unprecedented challenges at the moment, both in terms of funding and workforce, but there is some light at the end of the tunnel, we believe. The £645 million that's coming down the line, hopefully that'll be announced soon as to how contractors can access that funding, and they'll be able to start delivering for patients, delivering some what I think are amazing new services and opportunities for both professionally for pharmacists but also for the sector as a whole. Hopefully over the next 12 months we can really work with the NHS, with other employers and with professional bodies to understand how we can make the most of the professional workforce we have, how we can help them to really express their clinical capabilities in the right ways so that we can move things forward for patients and the NHS. The challenges for the next 12 to 18 months is for a lot of businesses surviving. I think that the funding situation is quite dire. A lot of businesses are talking about struggling in the short term just to stay afloat. I think those that are able to, there is a future out the side. It is looking more and more clinical, but I don't think we or the government or the NHS can lose sight of the fact that we need to sort out the funding of supply of medicines. It's a critical part of what pharmacies do. It's why we remained open during COVID, and it's really, really important that pharmacies are able to invest for the future, invest in their people, in their premises, invest for their patients, so we can continue to deliver safe and effective medicines for the public.